Hello student, welcome to Botanical Basics classes. Today we gonna learn about very interesting topic herbarium. Herbarium, what is herbarium? Aim of herbarium, types of herbarium, technique of herbarium, role of herbarium, and last point some important herbarium in India. What is herbarium? A collection of preserved plant specimens in closed field. Next, these specimens may be whole plant or plant parts, and these will be usually be in a dried from mountain of a seed. This picture showing herbarium seed. It is based on a scientific collection in continuous expansive of plant specimens which are carefully dried, labeled and conventionally tried for its permanent preservation. Its research work focused on the collection of plant specimens which are catalogued and systematic botanical classification. Aims of herbarium to study on various plants, to contribute to scientific studies, to preserve the catalogue of seed and dried herbarium plants, to mention plant on the age of extension, to inform the student and public about these plants, to inform them the effect of global warming and ecological system. The next point is types of herbarium. Davis and Haywood have classified the herbaria into three categories. One upon first national or major herbaria, second regional herbaria, and third local herbaria. Next point is technique of herbaria involved following step and guideline which help in creating conventional, useful and long listing herbarium specimen. First point is collection, second pressing, third drying, fourth poisoning, fifth mounting, sixth stretching, seventh labeling, eighth storage. First point is collection. Plant specimen where should bear flower and fruit if present. Second, herbaceous small plant specimen should be collected with roots or other underground parts. Next, a twig of about 25 centimeter with leaves and flower will form an ideal material. Note sheet, number and data recorded in the field notebook. Some after the specimen are collected, they should be placed in the field itself. Collection material: Caesar, herbarium seed, tiger, basculum and Caesar. Next point, second point is pressing. A specimen should be carefully placed in the center of the pressing seed. If specimens are large enough, they should be bent, giving them shape of V and capital W. The bundle should be uniform in thickness in the middle and on the sides. The specimen should be kept one above the other. This picture showing herbarium seeds. Prepare herbarium seeds. Third point is drying. Drying after 2 or 3 changes The specimens are finally kept in fresh vaulting sheet and dried another by natural and artificial heating. Fourth point is poisoning, use of mercury chloride and substitute of mercury chloride, है ना. Fifth point is mounting and stretching. The standard size of a herbarium sheet is 29 by 42 centimeter, usually made of durable card sheet. It is advisable of to mount one specimen on each specimen's herbarium sheet. Desiccated and loose parts such as flower, fruit, seeds are kept in paper packet and pasted to the mounted sheet. Sixth point is labeling. The label are put on the right hand side at the bottom of the herbarium sheet. They are of 3 by 5 size and should have the following information. First of all, name of organization with which specimen plant organized, name of family, botanical name of the plant, local name, locality of collection, date of collection, habitat of the plant, field notebook and collection number. Last, name of collector. Seventh point is storage. Plant specimen which have been properly mounted and identification are filled systematically in special wooden and steel cabinet. The herbarium sheet loaded with specimen are filed inside folder which are of various color scheme indicating species, genus, family, geographical area, etc. Plants are arranged and stored following Bentham and Hooker and Engler and Planter systematic of classification. This picture showing herbarium sheet prepare arranged to wooden and steel cabinet. Fumigation. This is done for killing insect which often damage plant. The most common method is to keep naphthalene ball within muslin bag in each vegan ball. Sometimes hydrochlorobenzene is used. A small cloth bag with PDV are placed in the pigeon holes. The chemical also be sprinkled on sheets or bundle. Role of herbarium. The act as a responsibility of dried plant specimen, safeguard them against loss, destruction by fungi, insect, etc., and make them available by study. Several herbaria or of rapture keep type specimen. The principal proof of the existence of a species in safe custody, often in room within restricted access. A original document upon which knowledge of taxonomic character rest herbarium species generally help in development flora, fauna and monograph. These engaged in taxonomic student can personally identification their engaged collection by comparison with already identification herbarium specimen. Voucher specimen preserved in various herbaria provide an index of specimen on which studies on chromosomes, phytochemistry, ultrastructure, micromorphology, etc. have been undertaken. Most herbaria have specimens collected from different parts of the world, thus their scrutiny can provide information of the geographical distribution of taxa. Some important herbarium of India. First Central National Herbaria placed in established Kolkata. Number of herbarium seat is 15 lakh. Year of founding 1795, and this upon showing in different part of India in established in herbaria. Okay, thank you.